Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this edition of Sunday Funday, I am going to be testing out a product that claims to reduce the dark circles and fine lines under your eyes in as little as one usage. I want to see if that works. If you want to see if that works, keep on watching. So a little bit of history on Shiseido. They are mostly known for their skincare. They are a Japanese company. They are the 5th largest cosmetics company in the world. The product that I am testing out for this Sunday Funday is the Shiseido eye mask. It is from their Benefiance line, which is the anti-aging skincare line. And these are those little eye masks that you've probably seen a million times. But these ones differ from the other ones because these ones claim to give immediate results. They say that results will only get better with continued usage, obviously, but because there is retinol in this, it is quite pricey, but it is supposed to get rid of a little bit of the fine lines and dark circles. Let's open this up. So it was really pricey. It comes with 12 packs of these 2-packs, and there are instructions right here on how to correctly apply it. So we are going to put the thinner end here and then the thicker part here. So if you open it up, it comes in a little tray like this, and I am going to this eye here. And I'm going to put it quite tight up to my eye just because I want to see if it will get rid of those little fine lines. So I'm going to set my timer for 15 minutes and then I will come right back and tell you guys what I think. So a personal experience I've had with Shiseido, I was a beauty advisor for I think about a year and a half, and the company I worked for sent us to schooling for each individual product line. So I went to Shiseido school and I learned about their skincare line. And the Benefiance line specifically is targeted towards anti-aging. But when I was at their school, they provided us one of these eye masks, and they only gave us one to put on so we could see the dramatic results, which I thought was pretty cool because I don't think a company would actually tell you to do that if it wasn't going to actually work. So that was quite a few years ago, like over 10 years ago. So I don't remember how dramatic the results were, but I remember that I did go and purchase a couple packs of these just because I wanted to put it on both eyes. It's been 15 minutes, so let's see the results. So it says on the box to pat in the remaining product. So what do you guys think? So it definitely feels hydrated, and I think it looks lighter, but actually I think it looks really good. Compared like this eye compared to this, obviously there's a little bit of a wrinkle in there still that's not going to go away immediately, but after one use, I think this actually worked amazing. I cannot believe that. Holy shit, I'm pretty impressed. Wow. So I'm going to put the other side on and then I'm going to come back and give my final thoughts. On the Sephora website, this product has been given the Allure Best of Beauty stamp for 2017. Basically, Allure is a company that reviews makeup products, skincare products, hair care products, and anything that has their stamp of approval means that they are the best of the best. It has been 15 minutes. As you can see, they are dry and gonna fall off. So I'm going to take them off. So I definitely think that these work. I cannot even believe the difference. I am like shocked. Here is a close-up. I will insert before and after pictures. I think that these work amazing. Obviously, with one use, it's not going to do a whole lot, but I definitely see a difference. It feels so nice and soft under my eyes. I just like them a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this edition of Sunday Funday. I am going to be taking any recommendations you have on other products you guys would like to see me try out. So leave those in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.